I think it do be about that time. Hello everybody, it's King Jogger. Welcome back to the classroom. I believe it's called. Yeah, classroom. Anyways, again, with it hearing me making noise and it knowing where exactly I am all the time, I am now on the bathroom stage. Magic ball. What danger level am I at? 0. How beautiful. I don't know exactly what I'm going to have to do. Is there going to be anything in these bathrooms? What level of danger I'm at? I am at a level 4 danger. Which you know? I do not want to go down there quite yet because I like the light. Hmm. Do I just have to lift up all these toilet seats? Excuse me? I'm a little lost here. I'm a little lost. I'm guessing that's exactly what I need to do is lift up all the toilet seats. Keyword, I'm guessing. Oh. What? Hmm. Okay. Too much water. Anything else besides lifting up the toilet seats that I could be worried of? I hear something. I hear something. I don't know what it is, but I hear it. Hello? Hello? Oh, I'm good. Oh, what the fuck? Hmm.
Maybe there's a way to raise the water level.
Oh, do I have to raise it by the toilets? Hmm. So I was correct on the toilet one. There's just so many. Don't get out of my head. I think it hurt us. It did hear us. It did. Oh, what? Okay, so the stalls are there just to... Okay. So the stalls are there just so we can... Wait. Oh, wait. Okay, I think as long as he doesn't see us, we're gonna be fine. And so, right now, I think he's heading this way. Oh yeah, he hears us. Oh! I'm gonna hide right here real quick. I'm guessing he doesn't like the water getting moved. I don't know how the hell he didn't see me. Oh my god, there's so many fucking... Hey. Okay, he's disappearing. Never mind, he's coming back. Fucking no idea where he's at. All I need him to do is leave. That's all I need to do. He's not leaving me, sadly. I just need him to leave. Nope, now he's coming back. Now he's coming back, of course. God damn it, this bitch is so annoying. No fucking cars. Okay. I was just gonna test the theory because apparently this motherfucker does not. Bathroom, yep. Okay, so this place does change every so often. I wonder where the. Ooh, screwdriver. Ah, perfect. I needed this. How long do these things stay on for? Oh. Not very long. I wish this, like, would raise it up a bit, but I guess not. Is that how you? You would think that would be a way to like raise it up and all that, right? You think? Okay. Where did that drop me off to? Is this actually how you raise the water? I haven't noticed anything so far, so I don't know if this is the way you raise the water or what. Added a bunch of soap. Okay. Swim. I like the beds. Is this where? Oh, wait. Oh, okay, thank God, thank God, thank God. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Good. Okay, now all I need to do is find the exit out of here. That I do not know where. Oh, that's the number. Okay, I think I got the right area. Now I just need to find the fucking way out. Hmm. Hmm. Yes, that's very useful. Do I hear? I don't. I do hear him. I do. I just don't want, like, I'm making progress and I don't want to get caught quite yet. God damn it. God damn it. What's down here? Oh god, there's a hospital that's over there. Oh, exit, exit, exit. Exit. Fuck yes. Fucking see ya, bitch. Oh my god. I don't like that. That one was just kind of boring, but still. I did not like the classroom, the toilet one. Like all the other ones seem like they're a lot better. The fucking ghost, the very beginning one, didn't like, but it was a lot better. That one I just didn't like in general. I don't know why, but for me, I just didn't like it. What is this one? The dark room. I think we're gonna save that one for next time. But hey, what do I know? Anyways, thank you everybody for watching. This has been King Gaga, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye.